Congratulations to Christian Araneta. Let's hear it for Christian Araneta, ladies and gentlemen. Christian, back-to-back round 1 knockout. You only have the #1 spot to challenge Yabuki for the IBF title. How happy are you with the performance?
Happy kayo. Siya naman sa hindi ko nagagawin yung title. Dahil pagkanto sa rin. Salamat po natin na Sir Pulke, Paolo, na Sir Pulke, kanan din IPI Pamilay, o kami sponsor dito.
So Christian was saying that he wants that belt, he wants Yabuki. Okay, Christian, with your performance this evening, are you ready for a title shot against Yabuki?
Yabuki, kaya ikaw mo chance, di na kaya ikaw ay mo nangando yung title, di ikaw mo pasko
So basically he was calling out Yabuki. Where do you want, if ever given the chance, where do you want to fight him? In Japan or in the Philippines?
Bisa nasa. Pero kung sa dito sa Pilipinas, mas okay yung preparation po. Sa Japan, pag ang anak, panimaw ng nato. Nanay namin po, nanay na.
So he's willing to fight Yabuki anywhere, whether in Japan or in the Philippines. But he says if it's in the Philippines, it's better because his fans are here, his family is here. And do you have any message for your fans after that performance?
Pasalamat kayo ko karon na mo diri o una salamat ko sa bawat sugod layo kayo burkon ang lungkol ladong dari boy kasi kaya kanan kita ko mention o sa dili akong mga kauban ako boxer nila to mention Bernard Kilid o si Paulo Jombe Israel sa project salamat ninyo akong coach Coach Jinggoy, Coach, salamat Coach Jerry, Danjan, Tanan, salamat ninyo. Kamong mention salamat po.
Ladies and gentlemen, Christian, the bomb.